I'm happy to say that after selling hundreds of homes over the past plus decade, I have never been in a lawsuit. So this is very important for you to understand. Hi, I'm Stephanie Rose, certified luxury realtor and owner of the Rose Group. Disclosing anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed or changed to your home is very important info that will keep you out of litigation. I highly suggest reviewing all disclosures with your agent prior to the home going on the MLS and prior to any buyer seeing your home. We want all parties to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to them making an offer. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out later for things they should have already been made aware of. Here in Florida, there are a fair amount of disclosures that need to be filled out and disclosed. This is actually a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also for you, the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course with an upcoming assessment you may know about, or if you've had a leak in your roof that you repaired years ago, disclose it. If you've painted the interior or exterior of your home, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting fixtures, you do not need to disclose these types of items. One of my most common sayings to our clients is, if you have to ask, let's please disclose it. The answer most likely is always going to be yes. Over-disclosing is better than under-disclosing. You want the buyer to know anything and everything that you know about your home. When you disclose properly, you will have all your bases covered. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you're thinking about selling, give us a call. I'm Stephanie Rose with the Rose Group, and let's get you home. As always, make it a great home buying and selling day.